Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Emmanuel Alote Eso NDC parliamentary candidate for Anya Soutium constituency in the 2020 elections. They said they were part of the communications team of the NDC. Ima akwaba.
Yo, mama medasi.
Ready, I was to parliament in the year more.
Yo, medasi na mami fa akwanya we enchia NDC mpanyifo nyina ewe michiobia afensu Anya Soutium michiobia esachia NDC mpanyifo obia etemi ewe. Na I want to take it from baby me senior. Esanse onu wako me nko parliament akonti me senior. I think say the NDC's position yanka say we are rejecting the budget and that should be the end of life. Yanka sa
na moko
my reasons. Ori aruna ejina ho time aye summary of the debate no. My reasons 5 to 6 reasons. And yanka say because we are rejecting we will not have budget. No, go and incorporate near Kayenu, the Fabra. That was it. And I feel so budget and to me and cut through. We have vote on account. The government can still spend. Until the Yeka say government cannot spend from 1st January economy. It's not true. Oh, Mr. Honorable, 3 months. So if you have brought the thing in November, I'm coming. No. Please. We are there by November. Anka ye dream to pass it in December. 2 months so. Yantimi anye na 3 months don't untimi nye. What are you telling me? You have 2 months to pass something. You reject it. And if you go for vote on account for you to spend for 3 months, you can't do it. Then that government is a lazy government. Because I think you have done the foundation work to go and do changes. I don't think it will be a big and I feel so or can be BBC. Yeah, let's not change the law. Mommy, see time if anything Joe Wise Eba as speaker no and you be now as member and send all co-holder no and notice has been sent by the main speaker say me call medical checkup into your name into all parliament no or as a speaker not a member into the maze no edin the name no and you know what this is he didn't go to sit on the chair say Otiana so baby no brow no he walked in as a speaker. Maze need do anymore. It means you are the speaker. So he was aware. And number 2, number 2, they say you will lose your original vote. What is original vote? Original vote in a voter, you are coming from your constituency. So you have lost it in that particular moment. You will lose it. So you can't call yourself as an MP for Bekwai in that moment. That is the meaning of losing original vote. It's different from casting vote. They are 2 different things.
For me, part of
no. How can it say you lose your original vote? What is original vote? The vote you are coming with from your constituency. Okay. You've lost it.
That particular moment.
Excellent. That's my moment, Say bien.
No, at the time I be present.
Oh, me honorable. On say meet you. Senior meet you.
No, I don't say.
No, I'm defining no.
The message. The message do anymore. I don't say.
Oh, honorable. What can we do?
What the message do anymore?
Mommy. No. Take my time. You write it. No. What I'm saying, no. No.
Your wife now assign. Okay, your friend be attendance sheet. Emrashe be drafo ne sign.
Mommy, no.
Enti anopa na wo see edi mezi no no ko enu akosan say wo MP.
Oh, no. Mommy, me bawo. Attendance sheet, you see, who call parliament? If you program in there, you call the next their own name. They will refer to the document for the previous day. Now, baby, we say anko year, they will correct it. Baby, I know attendance. It was 137, not 138. I say, Oraruna Kasano. You made reference to it. 137. So one signing in as MP for Bekwai. That is not true.
Oh, you are missing.
What are you telling me? Who is misleading? Yes, because he knows. You see, he came in on notice. Said the main speaker was not around. Into the misleading him into 137. It's a fact. I don't think no. You see, I beg you. Yemba the law. You lose original vote. What is original vote? Different original vote.
You lose your seat as MP.
No. Original. At that moment, original vote. So At that moment, you know.
At that moment, you can't call yourself an MP.
You can't. How can you tell me say you're an MP and a speaker? When a speaker must not be an MP. So how can I say, around back when any MP no? That's the meaning. So that is the original vote. What do you want to mean? Some of these things we can go whatever. All cano. Friday attendance Friday 274 attendance. Again, that's Parliament record. Because the next day now, they have to make reference to Friday and do some corrections if there's any. 274. So members present 274. And now you have the opportunity to the right per the constitution and per the rules of parliament to talk. And I will see there be I am going. So you have sacrificed your right to vote. So you can't tell me say after voting you're not part of it because you say present and voting. You can read Article 1041 of the Constitution. Present and voting. In voting time, you sacrifice your own because you feel say you don't have the numbers. And it's true. One person from their side, anyhow, and you left. And you say 137, I vote. You said, okay, you're fair no to Tuesday. Tuesday, no, or no can say, Ora, a friend is saying Joe Wise didn't vote on Tuesday. What they mean is say the year was for 137. Now, the same Constitution, Article 1043 say, if there's a tie, you lose the motion. Yeah. And see, if you are going to hold Friday and hold Tuesday separately, you are still lost. But me, let's not even go there. Put that one aside. I don't even need that one. No, I'm just breaking it. Yes, because on Tuesday, your total vote was 137. Because Joe Wise and TV on Tuesday. Who can on Friday? Yeah, they were 137.
They were can be about quorum.
No, mommy.
Forming a quorum.
No,
so
I've not come to quorum. On say Friday, there was a voice vote. And a speaker can say he thinks the minority have it. Yes. And almost there be into young kind. Into young kind. What are we going to get? 137 and 137 because no 137, 136 plus independence. No mono Baku. Honorable Joseph anyhow. According to the attendance now, yes, sign on one sign B. Wow. 80 that Friday no a head count after the voice vote in Nanka. Article 1043 means that they have lost the motion. And as smartly the Omuye second day character. Everybody should get out and they went away. But you see, let's put those things aside. Me, say, and I like the way you say, we need each other to work. That is where I want to dwell on. But it's I say, call that area. That's why I wasted time on that. But you see, politics, your elections are a competition. Who will need here? It's a Supreme Court kind. You have the power to govern now. And a governance and management, SEBI, and your national science and math quiz, say, maybe first, wait the second. That is a notion now. Majority for the parliament. That's so unfortunate. Yes. You see everything. Ego. Yes, I have to win. That is wrong in governance. And you're wrong. And your national science and math quiz after elections, you have the people to govern. That's why I say I like the way all can say you will need a minority. Majority also need. Other side also need the other side.
You both need yourself.
Yes, so that we part ways to make sure Ghanaians. The reason why they be omuchobano omenya umfaso. These are the things I say, yeah. Oh. Now, the reasons, let me tell you what happened on Friday, because Friday night, me parliament, go tomorrow, every year around 9:45 in the evening. Okay. I would say, normally, at the committee, like I say, meetings, it's about establishing trust and faith in each other. Finance minister, before I went to the national chamber, both sides, a minority, a majority. And another can I say, Niamukano, we are not against. We concede what you are saying. And I can't okay. Minority member in the summary of the debate. Now the same thing will happen at the majority side. Now who finance minister no? Niyaka what you say no? Magana phone on the floor. The fight attempts say okay. Yati don't tell us alone in a room because yes you know 30.8 million Ghanaians into Kasawa. That was agreement. I said, I'm move free. Meet you on Friday, But the time he drew, say, on Kasano, he shifted about unity. So give me time and suspend the voting on the motion. Oh,
Sana finance minister
no Friday Okasaye and Sana yeah going to the voting as to whether we should give him time or not no Okasaye Okaba unity yen kan bom na ejuma afisa make time asa nia ye kan ya oti asese they will do something about it you know one count the 6 items he never mentioned anything until on say some meeting no so enye obi ano eko onabo leadership no eko uba no briefi other members no because you front middle and the back benches. Inti the back and the middle no were surprised yen pay phone can say obeka we no way adenchi na one cano that is show of bad faith. That is where the whole thing started from. Say what, how can we agree on this? No one can. And I feel so far no to change mommy on Tuesday time Joe Wise approve budget no you know can no upon what concession they are proving that they what incorporate what the concession now I did it that we say we are approving I say and yeah completer what are you approving? These are the issues. How can you approve something like okay I'm approving so go and do the corrections? Why can't you go and do the corrections and come back even on Tuesday in his own words? You can play it say upon incorporating the concessions. And that's the only thing NDC is talking about. Asa, you can't say the entire budget with all the paragraphs and appendices and yet no. We have told you near Ewoma Hagana for now but even the things are NDC for boss no. And yet NDC and as a minority. Obia account is a ye levy. Obia Kasang. They say fees and charges are increased by 50 minimum 15%. What do you mean? He say next year econo BEF set will increase by 15%. DEF set Uwuswa and also 50%. Mortuary fees 15%. These are the things that can. And who they need to check. They said they are even going to put on automatic adjustment by inflation. What you are saying? And yet end this and I say minority asem. Can afford you now complaining. So just go and sit down, incorporate those things in the budget, and come back. Then that's the ending. Come on. Where's your asem, mommy?
Medase
Manuela
Adote and Oten and Kano NDC communications team member and no
Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.